Hello everyone, welcome to Thai cuisine. Today I'm going to demonstrate some of the Thai dessert, and it's super easy because we only need one main ingredient. For today, main ingredient is Thai syrup. We had salad flavor, green cream soda, and also mayonnaise flavor, and I will show you right here. So for today, I'm going to show you 3 different menu that you can make at home. The first one called ice bread. Ice bread is similar to chip ice or bingsu that you have in Taiwan or in Korea. The second one we call pink milk. This drink you have seen many around Taipei or around Taiwan in many Thai drink shops, or red soda. So today, don't waste your time. Let's start cooking.
Let's get started. For the first menu, you need a slice of bread. What kind of bread do we use? Up to you. You can use whole wheat, white bread, or any kind of bread you use. Today I'll keep with the white bread. Heat up the oven and toast both sides to be crispy. If you have oven, that's so much better, but I will keep it traditional like toasting on my pan. After toasting, cut your bread into 9 pieces. So then let's prepare our pink ice. First of all, prepare your blender. You can have portable blender like me, you can have food processor. I separate my blending time into twice. The first time, half of it, and then another half after. For my recipe, you will need 4 to 6 tablespoons, but just follow your feelings, because cooking is just follow your feeling, right? Pour the same amount of milk into the blender. After that, blend. After blending, and if you're not sure if it's okay, try on me. If the consistency of your ice, just like what I have here, really thick, that means you're good to go. Put your toasted bread to the bottom, cover on top with your pink ice. Actually, you can put like any way, but today I just like to strike it up to make it like a mountain. So it will be fun when you eat. I put condensed milk on the top around my pink ice just to make the perfect finish look and also make it a little bit tastier. And then taste it.
So here we go. Bingsu, but I have one trick for you. When you eat, try to scoop it down a little bit, make the bread absorb with the syrup, and then let them soak the syrups a little bit. This is the perfect bite. If you want to add more syrup flavor, you can have it like this. But if you want condensed milk, you can add it more too.
So now we're doing pink milk. For pink milk, you only need syrup, milk, and condensed milk. First of all, pour the syrups. This will use the same amount, around 4 tablespoons of the syrups, following with 6 tablespoons of milk, or you can add more as you prefer. Mix condensed milk. So now I will use 2 teaspoons of condensed milk and stir it well together. After that, we add ice, a lot of ice. Thai people love to drink everything with ice, just because I love to be a little bit more milky. I put milk at the end, just make like a latte Thai pink milk.
And here you go. Actually, the proportion of milk and the proportion of the syrup you can adjust by yourself. But I like to be a little bit more milky, so I added more milk. And also the milk, it's also your optional. You can change to low-fat milk, almond milk, or any milk that you like. and then you can enjoy.
Last but not least, our red soda. The red soda, first of all, you need to measure the syrup 5 tablespoons. And then a lot of ice as always. And to finish this, put a lot of soda. Before you drink, you have to stir it well. And there you have it, red soda. But before you go, as I mentioned that we have another flavor called green cream soda. So then I'm going to show you what a quick way to make green soda. The same amounts of syrups, put ice, and put soda, and there you have it, green soda.
Hi! How was the cooking? I hope you like and enjoy. See you next time. Bye-bye! Oh, yeah, here. You win.